Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm Nina and I'm part of the Archer and Olive Ambassador team, so everything you see in this video comes from a place I genuinely love and use in my own life. And also, I'm a little sick today, so nothing dramatic, but if my voice sounds softer or slower, that's why. And honestly, it's kind of fits the vibe of today's video because today isn't about productivity or discipline or doing things in the right way. It's about journaling for people who are not consistent. If you ever started a journal with a lot of excitement, then forgot about it for weeks and then feel guilty opening it again, this video is for you. So yeah, think of this less like a tutorial and more like a calm conversation, like no pressure, not rules, just a softer approach to journaling. Okay, so let's be honest for a second. Consistency is kind of overrated. We're taught that if we don't do something every single day, it doesn't count. That mindset shows up for everywhere: work, habits, routines, self care. But real life doesn't work like that. Some days are busy, some days are exhausting, some days your mental health is lower than your motivation, and some days you just don't feel like doing anything at all. But, and here's the good news, journaling doesn't require perfection. It doesn't care about streaks, it doesn't punish you for disappearing, it just waits for you to come back. So, yeah, open your journal after a week, a month, or even longer. It's still emotional consistency, it's still self care, and it still counts. Okay, so start way smaller than you think. If consistency isn't your strength, starting big is the fastest way to quit. So instead of aiming for full pages or deep reflections, let's lower the bar a lot. One sentence, one word, a doodle, an easy list, or something you heard today that stuck with you, and that's it. You read it, close the journal, and you're done. You already showed up. A tiny ritual is still a ritual. Honestly, small habits are usually the ones that last. Think of it like walking. Every word is a step. It might feel insignificant, but when you look back, you'll already move further than you think. So stop treating journaling like a task and start treating it like a moment just for you. The second your brain thinks this is an obligation, it's going to resist. So instead, turn it into something you actually look forward to. I don't know, like candle and put on a soft playlist or grab your favorite drink or maybe sit somewhere comfortable and open your journal without expectations. I don't know, honestly, I don't know. This isn't about being productive or doing it right, it's about creating a small pause in your day where you can slow down. When journaling feels cozy and safe, it stops being something you have to do and it starts becoming something you want to return to. And that I promise that change everything. Okay, please listen to me, girl or boy, I don't know, just let your journal be messy. Seriously, this is not Pinterest, this is your real life, and you don't need perfection handwriting or aesthetic pages or a clear structure every time. No. Some days you'll read a full page, and others days it might just be I don't know, a scribble, a cross out sentence, or a few random thoughts. And all of that counts. Messy pages then you show up honestly. Progress doesn't always look neat, and that's okay. Your journal isn't here to impress anyone, it's here to hold you exactly as you are that day. When writing feels impossible, don't force it. Use support instead. There's a day when your mind feels foggy and heavy or completely blank, and start a page just make it worse. So that's when having something to guide you really helps. Simple prompts can feel like a lifeline on those days, I promise. Like things like right now I feel, or today drain me because, or what I need in this moment is all of that. You don't have to explain or analyze, just let the words come out as they are. And when journaling stops feeling like a pressure and starts feeling like a relief, that's when it becomes something you naturally return to without needing discipline or needing rules. It's stranger rules. And please remember that journaling doesn't ask you to be a better or more organized or more consistent person. It meets you exactly where you are. And you don't need to wait for the right moment or for your life to feel calm before you start reading. In fact, most of the time we need journaling the most when things feels messy and loud or I don't know, confusing. You're allowed to open your journal on days when you feel tired, unfocused, and emotional, or even numb. There's no rule that say you have to know what you're feeling before you write, and sometimes grading it's how you figure it out. There will be seasons when your journal feels like a daily companion, and other seasons when it stays closed for weeks or even months, maybe. And that doesn't erase the value of what you've already written, or it doesn't mean you fail at journaling. It just means maybe your energy shifted and your life changed, or maybe your priorities, I don't know, move, and that's completely normal. Thanks of God, journaling isn't a habit you have to maintain perfectly. It's a space you're allowed to return and to whenever you need it. Think of your journal as a soft place to land, not a system to keep up with. And it's there to hold your thoughts, your questions, your bad days, your small wins, and everything in between. You don't have to impress it. You don't have to perform. You just have to open the page and let yourself exist there for a few minutes or maybe a few hours if you want it. And honestly, that alone is already more than enough. And before we finish, I just want to remind you of something important. If you've ever felt like journaling wasn't for you because you're not consistent enough, I hope this video helps you seeing things differently. You don't need discipline or a perfect routine to have a journal. You just need permission to show up as you are, whatever you can. Even once in a while is enough. If today all of you do is open a notebook, read one sentence, or even just think about starting, that already counts. There's no rush, no deadline, and no version of this you're supposed to live up to. Journaling is allowed to be slow, imperfect, and quiet. It's allowed to change with you. If you want more support, I wrote a full blog post about this topic where I go a little deeper and share more gentle reminders and tips. So please feel free to check that out and when you're ready. Okay? And of course, you can always find me over on my social media and also follow Archer and Olive for more journaling inspiration and beautiful tools to support your beautiful practice. And thank you so much for spending this time with me, especially if you're watching this while journaling and resting or just needing something calm in the background. I don't know. I'm really happy you're here, and I hope this video feels like maybe a soft place to return to whenever you need it. Please take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Thank you so much for being here again. Goodbye.